Somebody said, if no weapon formed against me, wear a pair of sunglasses, baby, because blocking all evil spirits, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back, y'all. So we're getting ready to go, hence why I have my sunglasses on. Baby, these are from Amazon. Somebody said, if no weapon formed against me, wear a pair of sunglasses, baby, because blocking all evil spirits, okay? But we're getting ready to go to well, I'm getting ready to go to New Orleans to going to see Beyonce tonight. So I'm really excited about that. It was a graduation gift from my sister. That is the reason why I'm going. It was kind of last minute, like found out maybe 2 weeks before the concert. So yeah, did find nothing crazy to wear, but baby, we're going, okay? It doesn't matter if we don't have a bum outfit, we about to get there. So get ready to head out. Hopefully you guys can see me. Y'all, I still have not fixed this camera, so I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So we're getting ready to head out. I'm probably gonna have to stop by the house to go see my mother because today is her birthday. Today is September 27th. So yeah, so packed up, ready to go. So let's get out this house. I really need to figure out this camera because, baby, I don't know. And yeah, I still have you guys on my tripod, so there's that.
And the best year you ever had. Yes. 5, 4, 3.
Oh, her.
Woo!
Them candles was almost got.
Good old soul clap. Applause. A round of applause. Applause. A round of applause. Said I want what I want. Said I want what I want. I want you to touch, I want you to feel. I want you to touch, I want you to feel it. I want your love, I want your spirit. I want your love, I want your spirit. Oh, I want connection to the sun. Sit next to me. There's no darkness I can overcome. Raindrops, I am the sea. You and God, who's my sunlight, blooming. Welcome to the East Coast. I pull up in these clothes, look so good, cause I'm in that hole. You know, all on the front line, ready for war. Gotta protect my grace, keep it locked in my tape. Don't make me get back to my ways. My power got never take.
But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even